Hey Albin, did you get an idea about yesterday's class?
Yes, sir. But I have few doubts about the basic concepts of object-oriented programming. Will you explain it once more?
Yeah, sure. It's actually a very simple topic and it's the basics of CPP, so make sure to catch up.
Yes, sir.
There are 7 basic concepts of OPP: objects, classes, data abstraction and encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic binding and message passing.
Is all this important, sir?
Yes, of course. Now let me explain this to you. An object means the basic runtime in an object-oriented system. Objects may represent place, a person, a bank account or any item that the program can handle. This is all about objects. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Next is classes. Classes are a collection of objects of similar type. Many similar type of objects are known as classes. For example, in real life, a car is an object. The car has attributes, such as weight and color, and methods, such as drive and brake. Attributes and methods are basically variables and functions that belongs to the class. These are often referred to as class members. The third one is data abstraction and encapsulation. Encapsulation means the wrapping of data and functions into a single unit, and abstraction refers to the act of representing essential features without including the background details or explanations. Since the classes use the concept of data abstraction, they are known as abstract data types. Albin, is it clear?
Yes, sir, I get it.
Good, now let's move on to the next topic: inheritance. Inheritance refers to the process by which objects of one class acquire the properties of objects of another class. We can take the example of cars. The class car inherits its properties from the class automobiles, which inherits some of its properties from another class vehicles. Try to learn all things with the help of real-life examples.
Okay, sir, I get it.
If you have any doubts, just ask me.
Sir, in last class dynamic binding and message passing was not clear. Can you explain it with an example?
Then is polymorphism clear to you?
Yes, sir, I got an idea about polymorphism from last class. Polymorphism refers to the ability to take more than one form. Is that right, sir?
Yes, it's right. So let's move on to the next two. Dynamic binding and message passing. Dynamic binding means that the code associated with a given procedure call is not known until the time of the call at runtime. The best example of dynamic binding is the method overriding, where both the parent class and the derived classes have the same method. Did you get it now?
Yes, sir, I get it.
Okay, good. Now to the last one: message passing. Objects communicate with one another by sending and receiving information to each other, is known as message passing. Message passing involves specifying the name of the object, the name of the function and the information to be sent. Related articles, classes and objects. Inheritance. An example of message passing is a bank account.
Okay, sir.
This is all about the basic concepts of OPP. Now, do you have any doubts about the topic?
No, sir, it's understood.
Then be sure to write the notes of today's topic.
Okay, sir, thanks for explaining the topic.
If any students have any doubt with the topic, leave a message in the class group. That's all for today's class.
Thank you, sir.